So guys, it's very windy today. As I said earlier, the weather was nice and sunny and 18 degrees. Well, that has completely changed. Because this massive cloud over here is going to come over here, make a downpour. It's already some light rain right now. And again in your next door. It's going to downpour. Dark clouds over there. I'll take up my headphones on now. Just been on my trampoline and I feel rain, so I decided to film a video for it. Because I can already feel rain. But it is still incredibly warm now. The sun's still out over there. You guys can see. That's weird. But yeah, it's going to be a dreadful. It's going to be very rainy. But it's okay now. Well, it's okay at the moment because you can already see on my ski shoes there's rain on them. There's also rain on my phone. So yeah, it's very rainy. And that's our house. You can't see because the camera's blowing up because of the light rain. Because it's like little droplets of rain. But it's still incredibly warm. It's still like 18 degrees. It feels like 21. But yeah, it's very rainy. So now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get this truck under my trampoline if I can get it while still recording. There it is. I'm going to try to get it. Hope you guys guys, we're going to have to go under the trampoline. Should we? How am I going to get that? I don't know. I don't know how to get my truck. I'm going to go around trampoline and then no, that won't work. But yeah, rain has stopped now because that big massive cloud moving away now. So guys, I'm gonna carry on my trampoline because it's not raining. Bye bye.